Hey, good morning. Do you ever get tired of the same old breakfast foods? I know my family does. They complain about it a lot. So I'm going to show you something that's a little different that you may not have made before. Okay, we're still using a traditional breakfast meat. We're still using sausage. Okay, spray your pan there. And we're going to brown the sausage. No, I'm not going to be making gravy. We are going to be making sausage and cream cheese croissants. That is putting a totally different twist on breakfast. And if your family likes sausage and croissants, I guarantee they're going to love this. So let's get the sausage browned and we'll get all the rest of the ingredients measured and together. And then we'll go from there. Okay, we have our sausage browned, and I've soaked up the excess grease that cooks out of it. So we're just going to put that into a mixing bowl. Okay, now folks, as always, I will put the ingredients and the amounts in the description box. So we're just going to season it to taste. About a half a teaspoon or so of garlic powder. Just a sprinkle of salt, if you like, it's optional, and black pepper. Yeah, I'm putting more pepper than what I am anything else because that's what our family likes. Okay. Mix that up. Okay. Now I'll just have a block of cream cheese. Doesn't matter what brand, guys, whatever you like, whatever you find a good deal on. Doesn't matter. And this is softened cream cheese. It's been sitting out at room temperature for a couple of hours. Real life, guys. Not in the cream cheese package, but that's okay. Okay, put that in there. Scrape all this off that we can. And guys, I have just a shredded cheese. You could use cheddar, but this is, I think, a Fiesta blend. Just whatever you like. Okay. And we're going to start mixing this up. Okay, I just turned my oven on to 375 to preheat it. It will probably take 2 or 3 minutes to get this cream cheese dissolved. So I will spare you watching me do that. And then I'll come back when we grab the croissants. Okay, I'm opening my crescent roll package. Okay. It does take 2 of these, 2 of the 8 counts. Really? There we go. Okay, we're just going to open them. I have kept these in the refrigerator until just now, folks, because if you've ever dealt with these and tried to roll up warm crescent rolls, they get to be a sticky mess. So I'm separating them out into the triangles. Can't sit this right here because I just took my sausage off there. In hindsight, I should have cooked it over there, but I didn't. So, get about a tablespoon and a half or so of your filling. Put it on the big end and just simply roll it up. I usually like to mash it in there and kind of seal it a little bit. Is it perfect? No. But it will cook together. Let's try it again. Use a little bit smaller amount that time because you do need to make sure you have enough of these, enough of this filling to have 16 of the rolls. Just kind of tuck it in there. Roll it up. And folks, you know, I know we say this all the time as we're making videos and whatnot, but this does smell so good. And I'm starved. It's past my breakfast time by an hour, so I can't wait to get these things done. Let's just roll them up, and I'll show you what they look like right before I put them in the oven. Okay, I'm down to my last 2 crescent rolls. And it looks like with the amount of filling that I have left over, I could have gone a little heavier on some of these, but I wanted to make sure that I didn't run out of filling for these crescent rolls. Okay, so just roll it up, tuck them in, wipe my fingers, and then we're ready to put these in the oven. I have it preheated to 375, and I'm going to bake 12 to 15 minutes. It really honestly depends on your oven, because some ovens, the temperature is not always set exactly like all the other ovens are. So check them at 12 minutes. You may need to go 15. Let's get these in the oven. Okay, the oven timer just went off. I checked them at 12 and I had to put mine back in for 3 more minutes. I mean, those are a light golden. If you want yours darker, by all means, put them back in for a couple more minutes. So, we're going to pick this one. They're done on the bottom. The filling was done before we put it in there. So, let's cut this open. And there you go. Sausage, cheese, bread. That right there would be great by itself. But if you're like my husband, he's got to have eggs with his breakfast. So you can always serve them up with a side of eggs. And that makes a complete meal. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. Like the video, share the video, and guys, that's a good breakfast.